It doesn't grow on trees despite what you think. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. We are one day closer to the end. Can you believe it? We are almost at 25 days of consistently vlogging, of you getting to know me on a deeper level. The real me behind the scenes, the personable me. I'm always personable, but to get to know me on a deeper level, and I love it. I love connecting with you all. I love continuing to build our bond because we are family. We are. You are part of the empowered tribe. My empowered job seekers and my empowered entrepreneurs. Love you guys, and I'm loving this journey. So as you can tell by today's title, on this video, I'm going to reach my younger viewers because I have younger siblings and they're teenage age, and I have children and younger children. And one thing that we always stress in our household is to provide value. How are you going to provide value, and how can you make money doing so? We always teach our children the importance of money. We teach them about having more than one income stream. It's very important that you have more than one income stream. And we give them the real on what money is and how you make it, and all of that good stuff, right? So this video is geared toward my younger viewers, my teens, my college students, my, preteens. And I'm hopeful that this is going to help you a lot because I know y'all ready to not be broke, to stop asking mom and dad for money. I got you. This is how you gonna get your own thing, and mom and daddy gonna be so happy. Here we go, y'all. So I'm gonna give you 10 side hustles that you can do to make some massive moolah, folks. And the reason why it's a side hustle is because your priority, your main job is what? Education, getting that education. So whether it be a preteen, a teen, or a college student, your main job is to get your education. So these are side hustles that I'm talking about here, okay? All right, the first one is affiliate marketing. How many of you have heard of affiliate marketing? Let me see, got the poll right here. Okay, if you have not heard of affiliate marketing, you are missing out. Now, I do want to preface this by saying you may have to be 18 years or older in some cases to do affiliate marketing. So you check with the company in which you are interested in doing affiliate marketing with. And it's basically you being a spokesperson for the company or the product, saying, hey, I tried this product, it's awesome, I'm recommending this to you, my audience, my viewer, my friends, my family. And if they purchase utilizing your special code, then you get a percentage of the money. It isn't any additional cost to the consumer or the person buying the product or good. It's just that because you were the salesperson that marketed that product, you get a percentage of that sale. So it's an easy way to kind of add to your monthly income, and it's kind of passive, really, because all you're doing is putting the code out there and people can utilize it 24/7, and you're getting money from it. So just beware that some companies only pay once a month, some pay once a week. One of the things that I do want to caution you about is be real with people now. Don't just go sign up for all these different affiliate programs and you don't know anything about the product, you haven't used the product. Be ethical. One of the best products that I do for affiliate marketing is ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is a sales funnels software platform, and it is amazing. It has done amazingly well for me in my business, with my marketing, with other people as well. I live and die by ClickFunnels. So I am an affiliate for ClickFunnels because I know what it can do for your business. I know what it can do. I am a product of it. I've utilized it, and it's the best thing I ever could have done. Shouts out to Russell Brunson. He's the man. Look up Russell Brunson. Look up ClickFunnels. It will change your life. I'm telling you. If you have an online business, a brick and mortar business, if you're doing affiliate, if you could be an affiliate for them and not even have a business. That could be your business, be an affiliate marketer. So check them out. I have the information down in the description box. So just know, if you do click on this, I have a 14-day trial with ClickFunnels. Just check it out and just see. And there's a boot camp for affiliate marketers in ClickFunnels. And it's very, very lucrative. They pay very well. So if you're really interested in it, down below is the ClickFunnels. It's a 14-day trial, and I also have the one for the boot camp. I'm telling you, check it out. You have nothing to lose. The second thing is drop shipping. Now, I know a lot of people have heard a lot about drop shipping, and they're probably thinking, oh, I can just get rich quick. No, drop shipping is a lot of work. I've tried drop shipping, and I wasn't very successful at it. It is a lot of work. You have to research the product. You have to know what people are looking for. One thing you can utilize is keywords everywhere to see what are people searching for in terms of product. You can do your drop shipping. You can do it on, you can get a Shopify store, or you can do it on Amazon, FBA, or eBay, or however you want to do it. There are websites out there in which you can utilize to be a successful drop shipper, but it is a lot of work. You have to research and see what products are hot and what people want and how much to sell it for. The great thing I like about drop shipping is you don't have to store the product. When I was in college, this is a funny story. My best friend and I, we decided to sell Amazon, right? Dude, you had to store the product. Needless to say, we were not successful. Do you see a recurring theme here with me? You're going to try many things. I want you to know that. I want you to know this. You're going to try many things in life, and you're not always going to be successful at them. But what I want you to know is take that failure and turn it into a success. You learn from everything. You learn from failure. Okay, where did I mess up? Where did I go wrong? Let me adjust. In the military, we call it, let me adjust fire. Let me shift, and let me make it better. So always, always think of that. Don't think of failure. Oh, I failed. I suck. Blah, 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 blah. No. Okay, I failed. Let me see where I went wrong so I can correct it and do better the next time. Failure can lead you to a thriving place. I'm telling you that. I have failed many times, and I will continue to fail, and so will you. Okay? So that's drop shipping. The next one is freelance your services, whether it's something like Fiverr. I have an account on Fiverr where I do freelance. You can see I have multiple streams of income. Most wealthy people do. I'm not saying that I'm wealthy. I'm not wealthy, but I'm well on my way. So have multiple streams of income. It's imperative because you just cannot, especially if you have a 9-to-5, you can't depend on someone else to take care of you. You got to go out there and get it yourself. Come on now. So you can sell your services on a site like Fiverr or Upwork or some of the other sites. I do have a link below for Fiverr if you're interested. If you're good at videography, if you're good at building websites or logos or pretty much anything you can think of, you can sell that service on Fiverr. Another little thing, Etsy. You can sell your products or goods on Etsy, and they're homemade. You know, they're very unique. So I love Etsy. I go shopping on Etsy all the time. So yeah, I love it. check it out. If you have something, you're very creative and you make actual products, do that. And what about the next one is social media marketing. This one has gotten really big in recent years. And I think it's because of my boy, Ty Lopez. If you're not following Ty Lopez, you might want to follow Ty Lopez. The man is amazing. So what a social media marketing agency does is it allows you, meaning the individual, to do the marketing for businesses. One thing you can do is you can contact your local business, whether you go to the dentist, your local doctor. If they don't have a presence online, they should. This day and age, it doesn't matter what kind of business you have. You need to have a presence online, and you can help them with that. You can help them with ranking in the Google SEO, search engine optimization. You want to rank high, you can help them that way. You can help them with their Facebook ads, Instagram ads, YouTube ads. Those will be so lucrative for them. And there are numerous videos here on Facebook that can teach you about YouTube ads or Google SEO and things like that. And another thing is Facebook itself, they will help you with how to create Facebook ads. I had someone reach out to me on Facebook through the company to help me with my Facebook ads, and I've gotten a lot better at it. Still a work in progress, but it's so easy. I'm like, this is it. And it's pretty reasonable as well. So you can do that for the company, and then the company will pay you a fee for doing that. And this can be humongously lucrative. I'm not kidding you. And the other thing to kind of like piggyback off of that is a sales funnel agency. You heard me talk about ClickFunnels before. So a lot of people are doing away with websites as we know them, and they're using sales funnels because you're able to guide the person through the buying process. It's not everything thrown at you up front like a traditional website is. It's very strategic, and it's almost like a little relationship with the person, the buyer. So sales funnels, if you don't know about sales funnels, it will behoove you to find out about them, because you can have your own sales funnel agency and really rake in the dough. Check it out. Hint, hint. 2020 coming for you. What you gonna do different in 2020? 20 is right around the corner. What you doing different? Okay. Next thing you can do is actually create a course. I recently created a course on Teachable. Teachable is a really neat platform because you can start it out free and you can host your course there on Teachable. They have a webinar that they teach you how to get started, and you can sell Facebook ads, hint, hint, for your course to get people interested in consuming the course and all of that stuff. And you can make a course on anything. It could be knitting, it could be how to play soccer, it could be how to do photography, anything that you're good at or that you have an interest in and you know how to do it, teach somebody else and make money. Now on Teachable, they will get a percentage of the funds, but there are other platforms, Kajabi, other platforms that you could utilize to host your course on that may or may not take a percentage. Blogging, we all know about blogging, I'm sure. So blog, start blogging. They have, I believe it's called blogger.net. I believe that's the name of it, where you can start out free. That's a free platform, and you can just start writing about stuff that you're interested in. And hint, hint, put those affiliate links in there so that you can get money off those affiliate links when people click. Always do a disclosure. And another thing that you can do is with the blogging, people can put ads on your blog so you can make money from that. Hey, this one's for my college students. You've been going to class, taking all those notes, you know, in and out of the hustling in the classroom, getting it in. But guess what? Save those notes. You can get paid for them. Yep, you can sell your notes to other people. So that is a real thing, and you can get paid to do so. Think about that. Another thing is, like my kids, right, they love animals. So I've actually utilized this service that I'm about to tell you about, and it's rover.com, where you can do pet sitting for someone, either pet sitting or walking the pet or what have you. And I've utilized it. I've had my dog, Casey. He spent the night for a couple of days when we went out of town. I think it was for a funeral or something like that. It was something short notice. So I felt very comfortable because my Casey doggy was able to stay in the individual's home. I met them. I've utilized it a lot. I like doing that opposed to boarding. But you don't have to just pet sit the dog. You can walk the dog. They have different services available on that particular site, and you can make money. But you have to be an animal person. Please, please don't sign up for that service if you do not like animals. Don't do it, because I don't want you to harm an animal. The next thing is, I want you to consider starting an actual YouTube channel. You're on YouTube right now, right? You're watching this on YouTube. Do you have your own channel? No? Well, think about doing so. There is some type of value that you can provide to someone. Just think about it and then niche down. Think about it. What type of value can I provide? What do people want to know about? Can I provide the value? The key word is value. Don't just get on there just making pranks, or, I mean, you can if you want to, but is that very valuable? It's entertaining. So how long is that gonna last? Okay, you wanna create something that is evergreen, that is gonna last. I hope that you find these tips to be useful, and I wish you nothing but the best on your future endeavors, and go into 2020 with a plan, with a vision, and taking massive action. So I'm giving you this information, but if you do not take massive action, you're wasting your time. I'm telling you that right now. So take massive action. Don't just consume this. Take massive action now. You can make money. It doesn't matter that you're a teenager. It doesn't matter that you're a college student. It doesn't matter that you're a preteen. You can make money. Most successful business owners, the big ones, they started young. Or the ones that are big and they wish they started younger. You can make money. Don't let anybody tell you that you can, or say that money's bad. Money's not bad. We all need money to survive. We all need money to survive. And the money is not the root of all evil. The love of money is the root of all evil, not money itself. So remember that. Do you, hustle hard, and get the job done. And I'll see you tomorrow. Peace. Bye, y'all.